Azure Synapse is a powerful analytics service that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources. Data exploration is a crucial step in understanding the structure and content of your data. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of Azure Synapse data exploration. First, you need to create a new workspace in Azure Synapse and link it to your data sources. This can be done by navigating to the Azure portal and searching for Azure Synapse Analytics. Once you have created your workspace, you can start exploring your data. To start exploring your data, navigate to the Data tab in Azure Synapse and select the data source you want to explore. Azure Synapse supports a wide range of data sources including Azure Storage, Azure Cosmos DB, and Azure Data Lake Storage. Once you have selected your data source, you can use the preview function to view a sample of your data. This will give you an idea of the structure and content of your data. You can also use the Schema tab to view the schema of your data. To drill deeper into your data, you can use the Query Editor in Azure Synapse. The Query Editor allows you to write SQL queries to analyze and transform your data. You can use the Query Editor to filter, aggregate, and join your data. Best practices for Azure Synapse data exploration include starting with a clear understanding of your business requirements and identifying the key questions you want to answer with your data. It is also important to use the right data sources and to optimize your queries for performance. In summary, Azure Synapse data exploration is a powerful tool for understanding and analyzing your data. By following these steps and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of your data and make informed business decisions. With Azure Synapse, you can integrate and analyze data from various sources and use the Query Editor to drill deeper into your data. The key concepts to remember are to create a new workspace and link it to your data sources. Navigate to the Data tab and select the data source you want to explore. Use the preview function to view a sample of your data and use the Query Editor to analyze and transform your data. By mastering these concepts and following best practices, you can become proficient in Azure Synapse data exploration and unlock the full potential of your data.